This is Heidi Caswell, WordPress 101 for Boomers. The plugin we're going to talk about right now is one to back up your database. As you make your site, you add more content. You have these different words that are in there telling you to link to various embedded videos, lots of different information, the information of the different things that you put in the sidebar, all this content that you have on your site, the words, the things that they're linking to, how it's all set up, are all saved in a database. Now, what would be really sad is if something happened and your database crashed and you lost everything. Now, most of the web hosts back up your information. I've not had any problems with web hosts not having my information, but mistakes can be made. And if for some reason I was to lose all the content and information on my site, especially if I had to work on it for a few years, I would be very, very, very sad. And as long as you have the database, then you have that content and it can come back. Now the pictures and your themes and things, those are on files. And you can save the files separately. But right now, and that can be redone. But the database, you don't want to have to go back and recreate all the content. You want to save the database, whatever. And so we're going to show you how to back up the database, how to have WordPress do that for you, so it's being done for you. There are several plugins that will do this. The one that we added when we did the quick deploy, because they had several in there, was WP Database Manager. And it was already activated. We have it working, but you do want to go in and check the settings and things and see, make sure things are like you want. As you notice along the top, I have this pink bar here. And the pink bar is saying that they want to make sure that my database file is not public where people can see it. And the thing about that is you really don't want it public where people can see it. You can, they could just take a copy of your database and use it themselves wherever they want. And so that's a good thing to have it where it's secure. And they're reminding me to, they got a file in one place, the htaccess file that's in the Database Manager plugin, and then move it over to the folder that they're backed up in. And I will do that now. Okay, I'm in my FTP program, and I am in the site boomerempowerment.com/WordPress101. That's the site I have, is the WordPress 101. And I go to the WP content folder, and then I want to go to the plugins, because this is one of the plugins, Database Manager plugin. And somewhere in here should be a htaccess file. There it is, right there. And what they want me to do is they want me to move that up to this folder right here where the backup files are in. So just like that, I picked it up, moved it, and it's now in there and it's taken care of. Now I still have the pink warning still coming up. I wished I had a way to move that, get rid of it, but at the same time I did check the folder itself. You know, I went and put the URL in mine, the Boom Empowerment, at backup files, and it's not visible online. They get an error page if they try to get it that way, and so they can't see and pick it up. So we are good. Now you want to make sure that your database is being backed up. So we're going to go back to the database thing, and it said backup database. I'm going to click on here where it says Manage Backup Database. This is why you want to check your settings and see how it's set up. Actually, I'm sorry, I put the wrong one. This is where you can go, and if you need to go back to your database, you can download it from here. You can see the backups that are already there. You can choose one, and you know, you can send it to email, you can download it, you can restore it. So those options are there. Click on Database Options. It's saving at least 10 backup files, no more than that. If they get older than that, then they get dumped, which is fine. But here it's backing up once a week. I really would like to back it up on a daily basis. It could be left on the week. I'm adding content daily. I'd want it backed up every day here. And these are some other things it's going to do. It's going to optimize your database, repair your database automatically as you go along. So these are some cool things it's doing. You just hit Save Changes. It'll take care of it for you, and you just want to check in every once in a while, make sure that the database is being saved, but it does a good job taking care of it for you. Anyway,